In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add collaborators in Google Forms. Whether you're working on a project with your team, sharing responsibilities with classmates, or you simply want someone else to help edit your form, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Forms in your browser and choose the form you want to work on. Once you're inside the form, look toward the top right corner of your screen and find the Share or Add Collaborators icon. It looks like a little person with a plus sign. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the icon. A new window will appear where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. As you type, Google will suggest contacts, so choose the correct one from the list. You'll see an option that allows you to set their role. By default, collaborators may be set to responders, but for editing access, you'll want to change that permission. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure the person you're adding uses a Gmail account and double-check the spelling of their email address. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary access issues later. Once you've added the email, click the drop-down menu next to their name and change their permission from responder to editor. This gives them full access to help you edit questions, adjust settings, or format your form. After that, click Send and Google will immediately share the form with them. Once you've completed these steps, your collaborator will receive an email invitation. They can open the form and start editing right away. If you ever need to remove someone or adjust permissions, simply return to the same share window and update their access. It's also a good idea to review your collaborator list occasionally to make sure only the right people have editing rights. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays organized and secure. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add collaborators in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?